Jai Ganesh. Hello, students. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my English class. Today, let us learn an interesting story A Tiger in the House by Ruskin Bond of Class 10 English. We do have pet dog, pet cat like in our houses. Have you heard? Have you seen in anyone's house a tiger in the house? So this story is very interesting. First, we should have a talk about Ruskin Bond. Was born on 19th May 1934. Is still alive. He is an Anglo-Indian writer. He is an Indian author of British descent. He is considered to be an icon among the Indian writers and children's authors and a novelist. He was awarded the highest award of our country, Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, Padma Shri in 1999, and Padma Bhushan in 2014. So let us have a few lines about the story. There has been a close and intimate relationship between human beings and animals since time immemorial. We have seen animals and birds who have shown their behavior like human beings. We also get pleasure from the animals. In this story, we'll see how Timothy, a tiger cub, became a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger with the love and care of the author's grandparents' family. In this story, we will find the important characters. Characters are grandfather, Timothy the tiger cub, Toto the monkey, the mongrel puppy, grandmother, Mahmoud the cook, the author, the first keeper, and the second keeper, and others. So be silent, be attentive, listen to the story. Now tiger in the house. Once the tiger cub was discovered by the grandfather when he was on a hunting expedition with the people those came from Delhi, and it was a hunting expedition, and grandfather was not a shikari, but he joined them because he knew the Shivalik hills and the Terai jungle very well, and it was as hunters because there were more than 7 tents for each tent for each shikari and other tents also. And they did have uh, four elephants with howdahs, and they did have also good dishes because they were from Delhi. In those times, the viceroys or their people who used to or like to hunt in those times. So they did have also four elephants with howdahs, so that to carry the hunters on their back. Besides them, there were a more 11 elephants who would help them in hunting. So they started hunting, but they did not find any tiger in the forest. They saw the deers and the peacock and others, but they did not find any dog, any tiger. Or losing the hope of a tiger, they started shooting at jackals. So this was the expedition. But while coming back, the her grandfather saw a tiger cub of 18 inch who was hiding under the intricate roots of a banyan tree. He took him to home with him and gave to the grandmother. The grandmother named him Timothy, and Timothy was now in their house with proper care. So to the mammoth, the cook took care of him, and he first fed him with the feeding bottle of milk. Then he was given the raw mutton and cod liver oil. Besides, then he was also given the tempting meal of a pigeon and rabbits. Whatever it may be, the tiger was happy in the house, and he had also two companions in the house. One was Toto, the monkey, who was very mischievous, who pulled his tail whenever he got angry. He climbed up the curtain, and the mongrel pup was another dog to whom he was afraid of, and go back. Even if he was so afraid that he allowed the mongrel puppy to crawl on his back and rest on his back. The tiger cub allowed the mongrel puppy to rest on his bed, on his back. So they were his two most favorite companions in the grandfather's house. So the tiger cub Toto was very fond of the author. When the author went to his grandfather's house, he became his friend because the tiger cub or Timothy was fond of with a boy who would like to play with him. So they became good friends, Timothy and the author. When the author was in his grandfather's house, he even rolled on him and kicked his pretending he kicked his anklet. And the other took him on the road, and the people outside gave a wide berth after to getting afraid of that tiger. Now it became only 6 months old, and the author took had to keep it with him, and he became also violent and villainous. Mahmud, who took care of him, who was the author's cook, and the tiger's favorite was the dining room of the grandfather, and he felt comfortable on the long sofa. And he did have also clean habits. He used to scrub with his paws like a cat. So, and he slept at night in the our cook's quarters. And one day, grandmother or grandparents thought that he would kill the cook mammoth, and one day they would see only his dress and boot and nothing. But that did not happen. Timothy did not kill mammoth. It was only their expectation. But Mahmud grew steadily and less friendly when he became 6 months old. He ran after the pet dogs and the pet cats while going outing. The night also he went into the poultry house and killed the uh, hens and chickens. And in the morning they would see the feathers outside. So now most of the time he was a chained in the house. Timothy became violent. He used to attack Mahmud the cook when he was coming to feed him. So grandfather decided to send him to the zoo. It was the time for him to send to the zoo. So Lucknow Zoo was 200 miles from their house. So he reserved a first class compartment. In that compartment, only Timothy and a grandfather were there, and they went to the Lucknow Zoo. The Lucknow Zoo authorities were extremely happy to receive a well-fed and civilized tiger. Now Timothy was in that Lucknow Zoo. After 6 months, grandparents went to chance to went to their relatives in Lucknow. Grandfather went straight to see his Timothy in the zoo, but where went straight to the cage where Timothy was there, and he pulled his hands inside the bars, and the tiger was laying inside, and came to the bar and allowed grandfather to move his hands around his face. He grandfather was happy for his reunion with Timothy, he thought. So he shook his head, tickled his ear, and even slashed his face when he groaned. And this was the reunion of a animal and a man. So the people who were there, they gathered. Either tiger licked the hand of the grandfather, and there was a leopard nearby, and when it snarled at Timothy, or snarled at the tiger, it went back. So the grandfather got angry and shoot him. And when the tiger was licking, the people gathered to see. The keeper came straight with alarm and said, "How dare you touch that tiger? That tiger is very dangerous." Grandfather got angry and said, "You were not there when I handed over this Timothy to this." The keeper said, "I came here just 2 months before." So continue your conversation. And the keeper went, and grandfather also continued his conversation with this. And the grandfather went straight to the superintendent who had already left to say to replace Timothy to another case. And this time, grandfather came back to the case as it was going to be dark to have his goodbye to the tiger. People who gathered to see the second keeper came, and who was really there when grandfather handed the Timothy to the Jew authorities. The second keeper said that he is not your tiger. And is your tiger, Timothy, is no more. Died of pneumonia 2 months ago. Grandfather did not believe and got angry, and he still then the tiger was licking his hands. And when the keeper said that his Timothy was no more and this dog was very dangerous, it was brought from the hill 2 months ago. It was different. So grandfather got angry because he did not expect such the death of his favorite tiger Timothy. Still, the tiger was licking when he tried to put his hound out of the cage. He had a scornful look at the keeper and went straight out of the Luck- Lucknow Zoo unhappily, sadly. So this is an interesting story about the tiger in the house. I think you have heard and read the story, and let us discuss the question answers. Do activity 1. Who was Timothy and where was it discovered? Timothy was a tiger cub. It was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle. Who named the tiger cub? Who brought it up? It was brought up by Mahmud the cook. What was the diet of the tiger cub? The tiger cub was fed first with milk with a feeding bottle, and when it was realized that it was rich, he was given raw mutton and cod liver oil, and then he was given tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Who were Timothy's companions at home? Timothy's companions were a Toto, the monkey, which grandfather brought from a Tonga driver at the cost of 5 rupees. And another companion was the mongrel puppy, whom grandfather brought from the street once. What was Timothy's favorite amusement? Timothy's favorite amusement was to play with the others. How did the writer become Timothy's favorite? When the writer went to his grandparents He made friendship with Timothy very much, and Timothy accepted him and rolled on him and even pretended to bite his ankle like this. Why did grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to a Jew? The grandfather decided to transfer Timothy to the Jew because when he became 6 months, he grew steadily and less friendly. He became violent towards the mammoth, and when he went out of the house for a walk, he attacked the pet dogs and pet cats, and at night also he entered the poultry house and killed the birds. So the grandfather decided that it was time for Timothy to transfer to the Jew. How did grandfather take him to the Jew? Grandfather reserved a first class compartment for Timothy, and Timothy and grandfather went to Lucknow in that compartment. Do you think Timothy will be happy at the new place? No, I think Timothy will not be. I do not think Timothy will be happy at the new place because he will be there without love and freedom. He would not be given freedom and happiness. So he would lose his companions, he would miss his grandfather and grandparents like, so he would not be happy there. When did grandfather visit the Jew and why? Grandparents went to their relatives after 6 months. So grandfather went to the Jew to see Timothy there. What did grandfather do at the cage where Timothy was kept? Grandfather went straight to the cage where Timothy was kept. He went there and put his hands inside, and the tiger was in the corner, lay down, and when the tiger came, he put his hands round his face, ticked his ear, and slapped his face. How did the tiger behave towards the grandfather? The tiger believed or understood the grandfather's emotions. He behaved as if he was very known to grandfather. What did he suggest the keeper? He suggested the keeper that he should be shifted to another cage because of that scoundrel leopard would disturb him there again and again. Was the tiger really Timothy? No, the tiger was not really Timothy. How do you know this? I know that the past keeper who was there at the time of the shifting of Timothy said that Timothy died of pneumonia 2 months ago. What did the keeper say to grandfather about the tiger? The keeper said to grandfather about the tiger that it came to the zoo 2 months ago recently, and it was from the hills, and it was also very ferocious. No one would dare to go to that tiger. Which character in the story do you like most and why? I like grandfather, the character in this story, the most because he is very loving and caring. He has love and affection to animals. So do the activity 2. So in the activity 2 we'll see three tables are there. In A the dialogues are there or statements of the characters are there. In B who said this? Whose statement is this? In C you have to say to whom he said this. First, I became one of the tiger's favorites. I'm talking to Timothy. It is not your tiger. I realize he is no longer mine. He died 2 months ago. Good night, Timothy. Okay, so let us check your answers. I became one of the tiger's favorites. Who said this? The tiger writer. Who? The readers. I am taking to Timothy. Who said this? Grandfather. To whom? The first keeper. It is not your tiger. Who said this? The second keeper. To whom? Grandfather. I realize he is no longer mine. Who said this? Grandfather. To whom? The second keeper. He died 2 months ago. Who said this? The second keeper. To whom? Grandfather. Good night, Timothy. Who said this? Grandfather. To whom? Timothy. So let us discuss or do activity 3. Answer the followings in a word or a phrase from the bracket given below. The mongrel puppy, a tiger cub of pneumonia on the long sofa, Ruskin Bond, 200 miles, the author's cook, a monkey. Who was Timothy? A tiger cub. Who is the author of the story? Ruskin Bond. Who was Mahmoud? The author's cook. Who was Toto? A monkey. Whom did Timothy fear at first? The mongrel puppy. Where did Timothy make himself comfortable? On the long sofa. How far was the Lucknow Zoo from Dehradun? 200 miles. How did Timothy die? He died of pneumonia. So let us do the activity 4. Fill the blanks with suitable words from the bracket given below. Grandmother, forehead, drawing room, grandfather, intricate roots, 6 months, Delhi, a wide berth. The hunting party consisted of several very important persons from Delhi. The tiger cub was hiding among the intricate roots of the banyan tree. A small mongrel puppy was found on the road by the grandfather. The tiger cub was named Timothy by grandmother. Dash was the favorite place of Timothy in the house. Drawing room was the favorite place of Timothy in the house. When Timothy was a dash old, a change came over him. When Timothy was 6 months old, a change came over him. When Timothy was taken out for walks by the writer, people on the road gave a wide berth. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead. So let us do the activity 5. Write T for true statements and A for false statements. Ruskin Bond was an Anglo-Indian writer. Terai Jungle is near Lucknow. Timothy's companions were Toto, the monkey, and mongrel puppy. Timothy slept at night in the cook's quarters. The zoo authorities were very worried to receive a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger as a gift. Grandfather left the zoo happily. Timothy died of malaria. Good night, Timothy, grandfather said. You check your answers. Ruskin Bond was an Anglo-Indian writer. This statement is true. Terai Jungle is near Lucknow. This is false. What is true? Terai Jungle is near Dehradun. Timothy's companions were Toto, the monkey, and the mongrel puppy. This is true. Timothy slept at night in the cook's quarters. This is true. The zoo authorities were very worried to receive the well-fed and fairly civilized tiger as a gift. This is false. What is true? The zoo authorities were very glad to receive a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger as a gift. Grandfather left the zoo happily. This is false. What is true? Grandfather left the zoo sadly. Timothy died of malaria. This is false. What is true? Timothy died of pneumonia. Good night, Timothy. Grandfather said. This is true. Do the activity 6. Read the following jumbled sentences and arrange them in proper order to get the summary of the story. A tiger in the house. Grandfather took Timothy to a zoo at Lucknow. Timothy was brought up properly by attractive and good diet. Timothy was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition and was brought home. The Jew authorities were glad to receive the well-fed and fairly civilized tiger as a gift. When Timothy was about 6 months, a change came over him and he became less friendly and more furious. About 6 months later, grandfather visited the zoo to see Timothy the tiger. Grandfather left the zoo very sadly. The keeper said that the tiger had died 2 months before. Timothy lived happily like one of the members of the writer's family. So, rearrange them, check your answer. Timothy was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition and was brought home. Then Timothy was brought up properly by attractive and a good diet. Timothy lived happily like one of the members of the writer's family. When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him and he became less friendly and more furious. Grandfather took Timothy to a zoo at Lucknow. The zoo authorities were glad to receive the well-fed and fairly civilized tiger as gift. 6 months later, grandfather visited zoo to see Timothy the tiger. The keeper said that the tiger had died 2 months before. Grandfather left the zoo very sadly. Hello students, what is you have learned the story? I think you have understood. And what is the moral of the story? What we learned from the story? Animals could share their happiness and unhappiness with the human beings. We should be kind and compassionate to you. Be friends, dear friends. If you like my teaching or my class, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Best of luck.